Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. So today we are going to solve the SNAP Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper which was held on 2024 of December month. So as you know that we have been solving the paper by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself from question number 16th onward, and we are solving with some basic tricks in which you can solve the question within 10 seconds if you will use my tricks whatever I have told you in our previous video itself. So I request you to please watch that video first. All these questions have been solved with the short tricks. No need to go for the long method, for the traditional method. You can use the short tricks what I have told. Just focus on that. So in the same series today we are going to solve question number 38. As yesterday we solved 37 number of question. So here you know that a clock was set right Monday 3 a.m. but it gains 2 minutes per hour. Find the time in the clock when the actual time is 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday. So first of all we have to find out the difference. We have to find out the difference between the 3 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. Then 3 a.m. of Monday to 3 a.m. of Tuesday will be 24 hours. Now 3 p.m. of Tuesday will be 36 hours. Okay, so 36 hours we left at, and we reached till what time? We reached at 3 p.m. Okay, 3 p.m. of Tuesday, but actual time is 7:30. Means we have to add the same 7. That means 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so total time is 40 hour. If every hour 2 minutes is gaining, for 40 hour 80 minutes they will gain. 80 minutes they will gain. And now this is 30 minutes, that is plus 1, 81 minutes they will gain. 81 means 1 hour and 21. So if unit digit is 1, this is correct option. 851. So this should be the actual method, actual methodology to solve with the option only. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, do support, and join the various Telegram and WhatsApp group given below. Approximately 200 plus members already joined the same. Thank you very much for joining us.